Okay, guys, so today we're going to look at an artist that made an invisible sculpture and sold it for $18,000.
Art's work fly.
Artist sells invisible sculpture for $18K. That's literally a whole lot of nothing. When it comes to art, there really aren't any rules. Anything can technically be art, as long as it expresses something.
Okay, so what can they get out of an invisible sculpture? So let me know, let me understand what they can get out of an invisible sculpture.
For example, an art fan recently paid thousands of dollars for an invisible sculpture. What is an invisible sculpture? Well, in this case, it's a sculpture that doesn't actually exist. The art piece was created by Italian artist Salvador Guerau, Newsweek reports. It was reportedly sold for €15,000, which is equal to about $18,300. According to the news outlet, the artist was adamant that while sculpture doesn't physically exist, that doesn't mean that it's nothing. Instead,
Wait a
he
minute,
prefers
wait a
to think
minute,
of it
wait
as
a
a
minute.
vacuum.
Let me play that back a bit.
The artist was adamant that while sculpture doesn't physically exist, that doesn't mean that it's nothing. Instead, he prefers to
Okay, not because the sculpture does not exist doesn't mean it's nothing.
think
Okay.
of it as a vacuum. Newsweek reports that he told reporters, the vacuum is nothing more than a space full of energy, and
In
even
college, I usually hear that art is a vacuum, art is a vacuum, art is a vacuum. Those who went to Edna Manley knows what that means. Art is a vacuum.
if we empty it and there is nothing left, according to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, that nothing has a weight. Therefore, it has energy that is condensed and transformed into particles, that is, into us.
Wait a
While the
second,
news
wait a
outlet,
second. He just said nothing as a weight. So what?
therefore, it has energy that
Nothing as a weight, therefore it has energy. Nothing, nothing as a weight. So therefore it has energy. Okay.
therefore, it has energy that condensed and transformed into particles, that
Condensed and transformed. Okay, so this is where it tells how the sculpture should be displayed.
displayed in an unobstructed area that is 5 feet by
5 feet
5
by
feet.
5 feet
It should also be
and a
displayed in a
private
private home.
home. All right, so that is it for that video. So guys, you tell me what you think about this invisible sculpture for $18,000. This is where art has gotten in 2021. Invisible sculpture for $18,000. So he's saying that nothing has a weight and it can be condensed and transformed into something. So if you lose a brain cell on that, let me know. Comment down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Artwork fly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.